Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have it's a garment holder, and so we're gonna open this thing up and I'll show you guys what I'm talking about when I open it. Didn't come in a box, just came in the plastic, but I'll show you here. So I'll open this up and you'll see what I'm talking about here. So this is it. It opens up nice and wide. It's got a little pockets in here, I think, for just stuff, so I could label some things and say what it is. I could just, put some, card or whatever in there, say it's Neil's. But look at this, so it's nice size there, but what's cool about this is when you fold it up, it's not set right now, I guess, because it's, it was folded in the bag. It's not the way I would normally fold it, so, but you can hold it. It's got like the little handles here, so you'll be able to hold your suits and things like that, like this. So let's check this out and see if we can fit some stuff in it. Look how wide it gets. So you'll be able to put several items into this. And then it's got some pockets here, some little zipper pouches. So I can put shoes or whatever other stuff in here. I'm gonna guess the women of the house will end up stealing this from me and using it for her dance clothes and dance dresses and stuff. But we will give this thing a try here. And then it's got the hole up top here to put the hanger in. So let me go and hang this up and I'll show you guys what I'm talking about here, and I'll bring you guys into my closet for a second as we set it up. So you see, it's like this. There we go. So I don't know if you guys can see it at all. I have it in here right now. And so I have it just hanging up on a little rack there, and I can put my clothes in there. So I can go and say I wanted to put what do I want to put in there? I'll put a couple of t-shirts because, of course we want to keep our t-shirts nice. So let me see if I can get you guys to stand up over here while I do this. Okay, so here we go. So I can put it right through in there, and it's got the hole up there, so the hangers go right through, connects up there, and then look at that, I can zip it on up. So how cool is that? So now I can store my my t-shirts in a special place. So what I'll probably end up using this for is getting it taken from me for the girls for their dance clothes. But if not, I'll probably end up getting another one of these and put my winter clothes in it in the summer and my summer clothes in the winter, because if you look at this closet, it's tiny, it just doesn't have enough space for anything. So I probably need to just take out a bunch of jackets and things and put them in here because I'm hot right now. But then when it's colder, bring those out and put some of these t-shirts away. So probably what I'll end up using it for storage, more so than just traveling. But it would make it nice for traveling as well with those super hooks. So I'm going to say this is awesome, and thumbs up from me on this. I'm going to put a link to it in the description so you guys can pick one up for yourselves. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some more reviews soon.